Hello everyone, welcome to Lacrena's World. Today I'm going to show you how to make donuts at home with very simple ingredients you can find in your house. First, we have flour. I've already sieved my flour, 3 cups of flour. Then we will have our cup of milk, lukewarm milk. It should not be hot or cold, it should be lukewarm. We have 1 spoon of butter. You can use butter or margarine or Blue Band Prestige or Blue Band. Then we have our bowl. We have 1 egg. We have sugar. And then we have yeast. So first step, you're going to take a clean bowl. Then in your clean bowl, you're going to place your 1 spoon of, I've already measured my yeast. It's already 1 spoon. So I'll pour the yeast in my bowl. Then pour in some lukewarm milk. Then cover for 5 minutes and allow the yeast to bloom before using. Guys, we are back. Our yeast has already bloomed, so we are back. So I already told you I had sieved my flour, and there it's 3 cups of flour. Then I'll take my 1 spoon of butter and I'll put it inside the flour. Then I will rub. Using your clean hands, you will rub the blue band of butter into your flour. Once that is done, I will take my sugar. I'll put in 3 spoons of sugar. Once that is done, you also just rub it. Then I'll take my 1 egg, break, and put everything nice, gentle. I'll take my yeast that has already bloomed. I'll pour it inside my flour. You can mix using your hand, or you can start by mixing using a spoon. If you like, use your hands. If you like, mix using a spoon. Of course, we will mix using our hands later on. Once that is in, nice, you'll take your milk gently. Do not pour all the milk inside at once. Just pour the milk gently as you need. Gently. Need some messy work. You see where I've reached. Continue kneading until when it's sticky, you can add in a little flour. You can take in a little flour when it's too sticky. Remember, you add milk little by little, gradually. Do not pour in all milk. And you can use half a cup of milk. You see it's soft and sticky. Guys, as you can see, we are back. It's smooth and no longer sticky. It is soft and it's not sticking on our bowl, as you can see. So that means our dough is ready. So we are going to take a clean piece of cloth. You can take a plain towel. Then you're going to cover it nicely. And then we're going to leave it for 1 hour and allow the dough to rise. So I'll be back after 1 hour to show you what we do next. Hey people, we're back after 1 hour, and when we open our dough, it has finally bloomed, as you can see. So we will remove it from the bowl. Put some flour. Then mix it gently like this. some flour, then knead it in a round shape. If it's too much, you can always divide the dough and just knead a piece. In my case, I'll just knead the whole. I will take my stick and just roll it just like this. Guys, as you can see, my dough is now round and it's not that round enough. Then you'll take a round, you can take just a round thing. I'm using my jar lid, and you can use something small, round. So you'll place it here, squeeze, take the smaller one, put a small, like this. Then the smaller one, like this. Then a smaller one. You'll do this for the rest of the dough. Then you'll remove the inner smaller doughs like this. As you can see, easy, nicely. Then you'll put some dough on top of your clean surface. Actually, my surface is so clean, so you'll place them like this. You remove gently, or even you can do this just gently. This one is more easy. Just remove it gently. Guys, as you can see, this is the end product. So as we prepare to fry them, I'm going to cover them again for just a few minutes. You can use a clean piece of cloth, cover them again for a few minutes as we prepare to deep fry them. Take a clean pan, put it on your cooker and pour in oil, just enough to fry. Then we let the oil be hot enough to be able to deep fry. I'll test if my oil is hot enough to start. Also, you'll dip a piece. As you can see, our oil is already ready, so you will reduce the heat because we don't want to use a lot of it. So once you reduce your heat, now our donuts are ready for deep frying. Take the first one, just dip it slowly. If you have a small pan, don't put in a lot. So once you see the inner circle is golden brown, that's when you're going to turn your donuts. Once you see the inner circle is golden brown, that is when you turn your donuts. For instance, like you can see, that's when you turn. You can see the inner circle is golden brown, that's when you turn. Cook in moderate heat. Once they are ready, just cook for about 2 minutes. Once they are done, sieve, put aside. As you can see, the inside part, once it turns golden brown, you know it's time to turn it, just like this. Gentle, be careful with the fire and the hot oil. Guys, this is the final product. As you can see, our donuts look lovely and yummy. As you can see inside, see that? You're getting that? It looks so yummy. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hitting the notification button, liking, subscribe for more cooking. And you can have this with some hot tea or hot coffee or hot cocoa. Bye.